Hey Alex, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. A little tired, but happy.
That's good to hear.
So, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. I think I will stay at home.
Oh, why stay at home?
I don't know. I just want to relax.
Relaxing is nice, but maybe we can do something fun.
Like what?
I heard about a new park near the city center.
A new park? That sounds interesting.
Yes, it's big with lots of trees, flowers, and a small lake.
Wow, I like parks. It's peaceful.
There are also food trucks there on the weekend.
Food trucks? Cool. I love trying new food.
Me too. We can walk, eat, and maybe take some pictures.
That sounds like a fun day.
So, do you want to go?
Yes, I want to go. Let's do it.
Awesome. What day is better for you? Saturday or Sunday?
Saturday is better. I'm free all the day.
Okay, let's go on the Saturday.
At what time?
How about 3 o'clock in the afternoon?
That works for me. Not too early, not too late.
I will bring some snacks.
Nice. I'll bring some drinks, maybe juice or soda.
Perfect. And don't forget to bring your camera.
I won't. I want to take photos of the lake.
Should we invite anyone else?
Maybe. Do you want to invite Sarah?
Yes, she likes nature.
I will message her.
Great. If she can't come, We will still have fun.
For sure.
Okay, Saturday at 3 p.m. at the new park.
Got it. I'll see you there.
Can't wait.